If you're looking for a no-code backend solution, you've probably come across Xano. But does it really live up to the hype? Today, we're diving into what Xano offers and whether it's worth your time and investment. Xano positions itself as a powerful no-code backend platform designed to help developers and non-developers alike create scalable applications without writing a single line of code. Its core functionality revolves around building APIs, managing databases, and automating workflows, which is quite appealing for those who want to launch projects quickly. The user experience feels intuitive at first, especially with its visual editor and pre-built templates that can help you get started. However, as you dig deeper, there are moments where the interface can feel a bit overwhelming, particularly for those who aren't tech savvy. One standout feature is the ability to integrate with various front-end tools, which is great for creating seamless applications, but there's a noticeable lack of comprehensive documentation in certain areas, leaving users to navigate some challenges on their own. Overall, Xano has potential, but it might not be the easiest path for everyone. Let's break down the pros and cons of Xano. On the positive side, its no-code approach is a significant draw for those wanting to build apps without extensive coding knowledge. The ability to quickly create APIs and manage data is a huge time saver. However, there are some frustrations. The learning curve can get steep, especially if you're not familiar with backend concepts. Additionally, while it offers a lot of features, you may find that some advanced functionalities are either missing or not as robust as you'd hope. Trust is another concern. Xano is relatively new, and while it shows promise, some users might prefer a more established platform. It may not suit those who need more hand-holding or detailed guidance, but for entrepreneurs and developers willing to experiment, Xano could be a great fit. In conclusion, Xano is a solid choice for those looking to build a no-code backend quickly, but it does come with its quirks. If you're tech-savvy and ready to dive into a learning curve, it's worth a shot. However, if you prefer a more guided experience, you might want to explore alternatives.